Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to cook yellow rice. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of long-grain white rice, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for that vibrant color, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You'll also need a pot with a tight-fitting lid. Before cooking, rinse 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Next, in your pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. If you're using aromatics like minced garlic, sauté them for about 30 seconds. Then, add the rinsed rice and toast it for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Now for the magic. Pour in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with its lid and let it simmer undisturbed for 15 to 20 minutes. Resist the urge to peek, as this traps the steam essential for perfect rice. Once the cooking time is up, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Let the rice rest for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly tender grains. Finally, gently fluff the vibrant yellow rice with a fork. Serve it warm as a delightful and colorful side dish to complement any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.